I had heard about Kabir's Spa, and I was following him on Instagram and on Facebook. So all these years I was looking to his videos, whatever work he had done, and I was very much confident that if I get the car over here, the work will be done very nicely. And it happened to be that my trust which I had put in them has paid, and it is done very nicely. I gave my car here for a painting job and also for the ceramic coating, and Mr. Kabir and his son Mr. Samsudin, like, they were very welcoming. Also the knowledge what they have, what they told me about what all problems I had in my car, their expertise in this field is very nice. So they had given me a couple of good advice. Otherwise I would have ended up paying more. Like if I had gone to some other place, I would have definitely ended up paying much more for what work they have done now. Also, they suggested me some few things which could improve, and I went with their suggestion, and I can see the results with the car clearly evident. Work done is very nicely. I'm very happy looking at the outcome of the vehicle, and yes, the trust which I put in them has paid off. Very nicely done, job well done. Happy customer.
इतना ही बता ये क्या है इसको